I think a company our size would never be able to get by without having B2W maintain. Here at Dave Collins' shop, we have a total of 11 mechanics, another 4 down in our Paletti facility, and we have 6 road techs. Ballpark figures, we have 600 pieces. I believe maintain has helped us in the aspect of maintenance, as in we were in like a Stone Age, paper age style. We were running off a spreadsheet. It was all paper work orders. Now being streamlined, we have a work order system that comes through to us. In maintain, we draw all of our hours in through the telematics.
It's automatically populated in there, so when we look at that, we come in every morning and we look through
all of our imports, and that drives our PM so well that it's uptime. You have it now, you know when you need to service something.
It pops 40 hours before our services are actually due, and we can go and schedule guys accordingly.
Field personnel do repair requests from track into the maintain system.
So we know almost instantly if a machine's down, there's no telephone game.
They can see that the request is actually somewhere and it's not being ignored, it hasn't gone to the black hole.
I can send exactly what the operator's saying is wrong with it. I can put that right into a work order for my mechanic.
I would say B2W Maintain helps us out in efficiency, as we have a lot of information at our fingertips.
And all of our mechanics have tablets, so they can, once I assign something to them, I will notify them, they can look on it, and it will tell them exactly what tasks they have to do and what they have to perform on that certain machine.
If they don't have to call back to the shop and ask, hey, can you go back in the file and look at those? They have it right there on hand. No, all of our timesheets here are digital.
Mechanic time cards out of maintain are transferred back into Spectrum.
Based off the work order that they're working on or the job that they're working on, and they just dump it into us and we take care of it first thing in the morning and send it right over to payroll. The best KPIs we measure here are open work orders compared to how long they've been open to how fast we close them.
Uptime, 91%, 92%, because that's a big thing here is we want to minimize downtime just like any other company.
We also track the hours utilization for a piece of equipment.
We've calculated the cost savings over the years of using B2W has been outstanding.
I would say those numbers got drastically better with Maintain.
The amount of savings, the amount of time saved too, this is by far where you would want to be. You do not want to step back.
We need to come into the future, not go in the past.